Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Jess. If you're interested in going on a journey with me as I achieve healthier hair, skin, and overall wellness, consider hitting that subscribe button and then hitting that notification bell so you'll be notified every single time I post a new video, and we'll be on the way to a long, healthy lifestyle journey. Okay, you guys, so today is just going to be a quick little video. I'm going to be deep conditioning my type 4 high porosity hair, and I just want to show you guys this new conditioner deep conditioner that I picked up that is amazing for high porosity hair, okay? And that is going to be the Aphogee, which y'all already know is going to be good if it's Aphogee, but that's besides the point. It is the Aphogee Curlific Texture Treatment, this right here. And as you guys can see, I clearly have been using it. I think I've used it maybe 2 or 3 times, and every single time my hair has come out popping, okay? And so I just wanted to come up here and show you guys how I use this, what my hair looks like before, what it looks like after, and all that good jazz. And we're gonna go ahead and get into it now. So I have already shampooed my hair. I just use Tresemme. If you guys have watched any of my videos before, you know my mom bought me like 4 big old things of Tresemme shampoo. So that's the shampoo that I normally use, just so I can go ahead and get rid of it, because you gotta use the stuff your mama bought for you. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, so that's what I use to wash my hair or to shampoo my hair. And then this is what my hair is looking like. This is what it's looking like. There's some definition in the back, but it also has been like 2 weeks since I've actually washed my hair. And then even before that, when I washed my hair, I didn't use any rice water or any type of protein or anything like that. So it is definitely long overdue for me to add some protein into my high porosity hair, because my hair probably like, girl, because there was a line that I want to review, but I feel like I can't do that without having a little bit of protein in my hair, because it's not giving that line a fair chance. Because when I don't have protein in my hair, it is super frizzy. My hair is super frizzy. It's super, like my curls aren't as defined as they normally are. And y'all know I love wash and goes. So protein is highly important for me, because I love doing wash and goes. I love my curls to be popping, and protein really does that for me. So like I said, today I'm going to be using the Aphogee Curlific Texture Treatment, and I got this online, and it was probably like $8-9, but you probably can find it at your local beauty supply store. When I bought it, it was like right around the time when, you know, everything hit, and won't nobody going out to no beauty supply store for no deep conditioner. So I just ordered it or whatever, and so I have that here. I have my water bottle here, and then I have the deep conditioner right here. I'm gonna go ahead and open that. It does have kind of a perfumey smell that I'm not too fond of, because y'all know I don't really like perfumey smells. But like, it's not really there afterwards, so it's not like too bad, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and go through and deep condition my hair. I'm not gonna do any more talking. I'm just gonna speed through, showing you guys what my hair looks like right now. You guys can see that there isn't really much definition. It's a little frizzy. I gotta detangle, like my aunt, like, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get into deep conditioning my hair. And this deep conditioner is super thick. So this is what my hair is looking like after I have the deep conditioner all applied. The directions say to leave it on for 5 minutes, but it says leave on a minute. So I don't know if this is like black folks leave on a minute, or if this is like leave on literally for like 60 seconds a minute. But I'm going to interpret it as the black folks leave it on a minute, which can be anywhere from like 30 minutes to an hour. So I'm going to leave it on for a minute, my minute, and then put on my little hot head here too. I got some errands I need to run, and so I might switch over to like a beanie or like a hat or something, but this is what my hair is looking, this is what I'm working with right now. And this is all the shed hair that I had, okay? Now, if we're gonna be real, it's been like 2 weeks since I washed my hair. So I don't think that is a lot because I have not done anything to my hair since I put those twists in from that Neo Curly review, which will be linked up here somewhere and down in the description box. So I don't think that's a lot of shed hair, but like I said, that's what my hair, this is what I'm working with. So I'll be back once I get ready to take the twist down and rinse it out. I'll be back. Okay guys, so I am back and this is what my hair is looking like. I literally just stepped out of the shower. I did wrap it up in a t-shirt so it's not like dripping wet, but as you can see, my hair has definition. This top part, this is pretty good for how it normally looks. And then I have definition. You see that bounce? Oh, do y'all see that bounce back? Hold on. Y'all see that bounce back? Don't try to hate. But that is me just deep conditioning my hair. If you are a high porosity girl, this deep conditioner, you definitely need to have it in your arsenal. It is low-key one of my favorites now. I know I was like hooping and hollering and raving about that Shea Moisture Protein Power Pack Manuka Honey, that long ass name. Yes, I love that deep conditioner too, but this one right here, I feel like me using it 2 weeks in a row, my hair was popping, okay? Like the fact that I even have curls down here, like, come on now. But yeah, so I'm probably gonna, oh, and also when I did use this 2-3 weeks in a row, I didn't notice any issues. If you are low porosity, I would not recommend using it as often as a high porosity girl, but you can still use it. But I'm not gonna keep going on and on. I just wanna let you guys know that this deep conditioner, the Aphogee Curlific treatment or texture treatment, is bomb.com. The smell is pretty good. It's thick in consistency. It definitely, like, you guys could definitely see the definition when I put it on my hair. So it works immediately. You probably only are supposed to use it up here, like leave it up here for a minute, but I did leave it up for like 30 minutes to an hour, so shh, don't tell nobody. But I love this deep conditioner. It's definitely one of my top 5s now. So I just wanted to show you guys that, put you guys on some game if you did not know. So that is all that I have for this video, you guys. Have you ever heard of this deep conditioner? Because I know Aphogee had like pH balancing or, you know, protein strengthening treatments and stuff like that. I didn't know that they had this protein deep conditioner. So did you guys know that? Have you guys ever tried it? What are some of your favorite protein deep conditioners? Comment down below, let me know. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.